Daniel, here's an event now which is right up your street. This is your cup of tea. The women's 400-meter hurdles final will be at 7:27 in the morning Jamaica time, and Shiann Salmon will run out of lane 4. And by the way, she's aiming to become the 5th Jamaican woman to medal in this event. We've got Dion Hemmings-McCarthy, we've got Melaine Walker, we've got Rochelle Clayton, a 2-time bronze medalist, and we've got Ristanana Tracy, a bronze medalist from London 2017. Melaine Walker, of course, would have won the world title 2009. Shiann Salmon, her chances here now, what are they looking like?
It's going to be tough for her. She's had a lot of challenges this season, but what I like about her is that she's a fighter and she fought her way into this final and she's lowered her times. She's at 54 seconds flat now. She's going to have to get inside of that time in order to challenge for a medal. I think, you know, finishing 6th at the Olympics last year, I know she'll be looking to at least improve on that placing in this final. And it's ultimately, it's really Femke Bowles' race to lose. And Shiann is in a good lane. She's in lane 4 and she has Bowl ahead of her. And I think that will be to her advantage to be able to, you know, step up the pace and have a chance of having a breakthrough time.
But it looks like Femke Bowles will be hard to beat, huh?
Yeah, it's definitely her race to lose. Anything is possible. Like we see a breakthrough for Gianna Woodruff of Panama. You know, she's always been there, just, you know, barely making it and having her area record, the South American area record. So anything is possible, but, you know, as Shiann has said, she's had challenges. So I'm not sure.
We shall see what we shall see, Daniel.